Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Samsung dishwasher that wouldn't turn off quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Reset the dishwasher. Step 1. Press and hold the Start/Reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the dishwasher to stop and reset. Step 3. Try running a cycle to see if it turns off properly. Fix 2. Check the door latch. Step 1. Open the dishwasher and inspect the door latch. Step 2. Make sure it clicks and closes firmly. Step 3. Replace the latch if it's broken or loose. Fix 3. Power cycle the dishwasher. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. Step 2. Wait 5 minutes. Step 3. Turn the power back on and test the dishwasher. Fix 4. Inspect the control panel. Step 1. Check for stuck buttons or moisture on the control panel. Step 2. Clean with a dry cloth. Step 3. Replace the control board if buttons are unresponsive.